Okay.
Daddy,
When you're putting down the iPad.
Okay. Do the voice.
I'm not gonna do it because you're not putting down the iPad.
Okay, I put it down, okay?
Do not get it up.
Okay, I put it down, alright?
Yeah, I don't need this anymore. No! Knock it down. From the sound. Boom, boom, back to the cloud. Well, it's on. How dare you really die? I guess I have to use this. Maybe I can use this. Take one bullet.
Say the famous line.
Get to the chopper!
Okay, come shake my hand. And then say the other, say the line.
What's the matter? See, I got you pushing too many pencils.
Daddy, I want to watch something.
Okay.
Can I hold it?
You want to watch this? Me and Mom are going to watch a movie on the TV. What?